Vienna Convention on Consular Relations, 1963, 2, Chapter 1, Section 2. End of consular functions. Article 25. Termination of the functions of a member of a consular post. The functions of a member of a consular post shall come to an end, inter alia, a. on notification by the sending state to the receiving state that his functions have come to an end, b. on withdrawal of the exequatur, c. on notification by the receiving state to the sending state that the receiving state has ceased to consider him as a member of the consular staff. Article 26. Departure from the territory of the receiving state. The receiving state shall, even in case of armed conflict, grant to members of the consular post and members of the private staff, other than nationals of the receiving state, and to members of their families forming part of their households irrespective of nationality, the necessary time and facilities to enable them to prepare their departure and to leave at the earliest possible moment after the termination of the functions of the members concerned. In particular, it shall, in case of need, place at their disposal the necessary means of transport for themselves and their property other than property acquired in the receiving state, the export of which is prohibited at the time of departure. Article 27. Protection of consular premises and archives and of the interests of the sending state in exceptional circumstances. 1. In the event of the severance of consular relations between two states, a. the receiving state shall, even in case of armed conflict, respect and protect the consular premises, together with the property of the consular post and the consular archives. b. The sending state may entrust the custody of the consular premises, together with the property contained therein and the consular archives, to a third state acceptable to the receiving state. C. The sending state may entrust the protection of its interests and those of its nationals to a third state acceptable to the receiving state. 2. In the event of the temporary or permanent closure of a consular post, the provisions of subparagraph a. of paragraph 1 of this article shall apply. In addition, a. if the sending state, although not represented in the receiving state by a diplomatic mission, has another consular post in the territory of that state, that consular post may be entrusted with the custody of the premises of the consular post which has been closed, together with the property contained therein and the consular archives, and, with the consent of the receiving state, with the exercise of consular functions in the district of that consular post, or b. if the sending state has no diplomatic mission and no other consular post in the receiving state, the provisions of subparagraphs b. and c. of paragraph 1 of this article shall apply.